Hey, zero semester students! Welcome back to EduTube. Today we'll talk about geometric mean, harmonic mean, and how they are related. Don't worry. I'll explain everything in the easiest way possible so you can easily understand it. What is geometric mean? The geometric mean is a special kind of average. We use it when the numbers are related to each other by multiplication. It's often used for growth rates, like how much your savings grow over time, or percentages, like how much something increases each year. How to calculate geometric mean? Let's take three numbers, 2, 4, and 8. 1. Multiply them together. 2x4 times 8 equals 64. 2. Take the cube root, because there are three numbers. 64, circumflex, 1/3, equal sign 4. So, the geometric mean of 2, 4, and 8 is 4. This is a special type of average used for things like growth rates, where you want to know the average of a series of increases. What is harmonic mean? The harmonic mean is another kind of average, and we use it when we're dealing with rates or things that are inversely related, like speed, where time is divided by distance. How to calculate harmonic mean? Let's use the same numbers, 2, 4, and 8. 1/4 equal sign 0.251/8 equal sign 0.125. 2. Average these values, 0.5 plus 0.25 plus 0.125. 3 equals sign 0.2875. 3. Now take the reciprocal of the result, 1/0. 2875 equals sign 3.47, so the harmonic mean of 2, 4, and 8 is approximately 3.47. When do we use the harmonic mean? Use the harmonic mean when we're talking about things like speed or efficiency, where the smaller numbers, like slower speeds, are more important than the larger ones. Relation between the three means. Now let's see how arithmetic mean, the usual average, geometric mean, and harmonic mean are related. 1. Arithmetic mean. This is just the usual average you're used to. 2. Geometric mean. This one is used for things like growth rates or percentages. 3. Harmonic mean. This one is used for things like speed or rates. Here's the important thing to remember. 1. Arithmetic mean is always the largest. 2. Geometric mean comes in the middle. 3. Harmonic mean is the smallest. This is because the harmonic mean is more sensitive to smaller numbers, and the arithmetic mean treats all numbers equally. Summary of what we learned. 1. Geometric mean, used for multiplicative data or rates of growth. Example, if something grows by 10% each year, the geometric mean tells us the average growth rate. 2. Harmonic mean, used for rates or things that are inversely related like speed or efficiency. Example, if a car goes at different speeds in different parts of a trip, the harmonic mean helps us find the average speed. 3. Relationship. The harmonic mean is the smallest, the geometric mean is in the middle, and the arithmetic mean is the largest. Quick revision. 1. Geometric mean, used for growth rates found by multiplying and then taking the root. 2. Harmonic mean, used for rates found by using reciprocals and averaging them. 3. Relationship. The arithmetic mean is the largest, the geometric mean is in the middle, and the harmonic mean is the smallest. That's it for today's lecture on geometric mean, harmonic mean, and their relationship. If you found this explanation simple and helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EduTube. Keep practicing, and you'll understand these concepts better every day.